Did you know the Green River Killer created the biggest dump site network in American history? Gary Ridgway scattered 49 victims across Washington state over 20 years, and nobody knew how he did it. By day, Ridgway painted trucks like any normal worker, but he had a dark secret. He knew every forest trail and waterway in the Pacific Northwest. He picked the Green River because the strong current would wash away evidence. When bodies started floating up, he got smarter. Ridgway began burying victims in complex sites all over King County. He studied how police searched for bodies. He watched news reports to see where they looked. Then he avoided those exact spots. The killer targeted sex workers because he thought nobody would miss them. But here's the most disturbing part. He would return to dump sites to perform sexual acts with decomposing bodies. When police finally caught him in 2003, Ridgway drew detailed maps of every location. He confessed to dozens of murders and revealed his twisted system. His geographic knowledge helped him stay hidden for 2 decades.